If Brigit stopped working immediately after an app update, the update itself isn't always the problem. The new version can expose an installation error, cache data issue, or compatibility problem that wasn't affecting the previous version. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest steps to get Brigit working again after a recent update. Start by completely closing the Brigit app. Don't just minimize it. Force close it from your phone's recent apps screen, then reopen it. If the update didn't load correctly the first time, a fresh launch can fix temporary glitches. Next, restart your phone. System updates and app updates sometimes require a full restart before every service works normally again. It only takes a minute, and often fixes freezing, crashing, or loading problems. Now check that you're running the latest version of Brigit. Developers sometimes release another update shortly after a major release to fix bugs reported by early users. Open the App Store or Google Play Store and see if another update is available. If the app still isn't working, confirm that your phone's operating system is up to date. A newer version of Brigit may depend on features or security updates that aren't available on older versions of iOS or Android. You should also check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then try opening Brigit again. If the app loads on one connection but not the other, the issue may be network-related instead of update-related. If Brigit lets you sign out, log out of your account, and sign back in. That refreshes your account session, and can resolve syncing problems that appear after an update. If the app continues crashing or displaying errors, uninstall Brigit and install it again from your device's official app store. Reinstalling replaces damaged app files that may have been left behind during the update process. Make sure you know your login credentials before removing the app. If a fresh installation doesn't solve the issue, check whether Brigit is experiencing a temporary service outage. When the problem is on the server side, troubleshooting your phone won't fix it, and you'll need to wait until service is restored. Finally, contact Brigit support through the help section or their official support channels. Include your phone model, operating system version, app version, and a description of what happens after opening the app. A screenshot of any error message can also speed up troubleshooting. To recap, force close the app, restart your phone, install the latest app and system updates, test another network, reinstall Brigit if needed, and contact support if the issue continues. If this guide helped you get Brigit working again, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other Brigit troubleshooting videos for more quick fixes.